BGL stock analysis and BGL stock prediction. This is for tomorrow, 30th of June. I'm breaking down my play and all that good jazz. Look, it's taken me 5 years to come to this point, but at least I'm the only guy in this space that's done this for 43,000 videos, and I'll document it. And unless I see this confirmation taking place or something similar, you know, like, what do I mean by that? I know the price is correcting down. I mean, it was just kind of sort of pulled down Friday because we gapped up like crazy. But if I want to squeeze the most juice that this has to like the previous stop that we had in 111, I must see some sort of a shift and a double break. And if that's not the case, then bro, I guess I'm not going to be buying. You know what I mean? So that's how BGL is looking like. I'm sure I have no receipts beforehand with this. Yes, sure. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. And if no rules are met, I'm not moving forward. So if you want the exclusive sauce and all that good jazz, click the first link in the description. 1,200 people have gotten it, and it's risk-free, you know, like literally risk-free. It's taken me 5 years to learn this sort of info. You cannot find it anywhere else.